This is the Bagolini Hobo with an RFID phone wristlet. This versatile style can be worn as a crossbody or a shoulder bag. The lightweight nylon material features a roomy front pouch for quick access to your most necessary possessions. And this is the Harjas XS Roamer High Sandal. This sandal features a shock-absorbing sole construction perfect for walking around and exploring local shops and restaurants. For Dad, we recommend the Keen Newport. Keep the family fun going from sunrise to sunset with these American-built sandals. For Mom, we recommend the Keen Whisper. Perfect for adventures in and out of the water. A cushioned footbed provides the comfort needed to keep up with even the most energetic little ones. And for the kiddo, we recommend the Keen Phoebe. Bright hook and loop straps help them go on easy and stay on securely throughout all-day play. For him, we recommend the Clark's Atticus Lace. This shoe is handsome and hardworking. It hits the casual formal sweet spot thanks to its classic profile and a durable rubber outsole. For her, we recommend the Naomi Vixen. You can never go wrong with a little color block design. It adds a feminine and flirty touch to this already amazing sandal. For him, we recommend the On Running Cloud 2.0. This shoe guarantees a smooth ride with its new structural innovations such as increased grip pads and updated central channel. For her, we recommend the Merrell MQ1 Flex. Not only is this shoe eye-catching, the breathable mesh makes it practical for outdoor adventures. So we recommend the Samuel Hubbard Free. With Vibram soles and memory foam cushioning, you have all the comfort of a sneaker while looking like you mean business. And we recommend pairing them with the Smartwool Berge Crew. Keep your cool during a business meeting with moisture-wicking merino wool and a professional design. Thanks for watching. Happy travels!